We're asked to graph the function y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. So we know that this function is going to have a similar shape as the function y equals x squared. It will be a parabola. So we know it will look something like this. We know it opens up because x squared is positive. So what we want to do is we want to start by finding the vertex, this point right here, where the function changes direction. So to find the vertex, we're going to start by finding the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate will be the opposite of b over 2 times a. So b is the number in front of the x term. So notice this says negative b. So here we have a equals 1. If you don't see a number in front of x squared, then a is 1. There's 1x squared there. B is negative 6. Now, we want negative b, the opposite of b. The opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. Over 2 times a, 2 times 1 would just be 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is 3. Now to get the y-coordinate of the vertex, we're just going to replace x with 3. So 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 8. So that's 9 minus 18 is negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. So the vertex is 3, negative 1. Now, there are a lot of shortcuts for drawing a parabola, and you may have seen some of them, but I will just graph this by making a good old XY table. So I always start by putting the 3 in the middle, or the x-coordinate of the vertex in the middle, and I pick 2 numbers less than that and 2 numbers higher than that. Now, you really only need to figure out 2 of these points because the 2 on the other side will be the same. So if I plug in 4 for y, or for x, 4 squared minus 6 times 4 plus 8, that's 16 minus 24 will be negative 8 plus 8 gives me 0. Well, the cool thing about this is that 2 will also give me a y of 0. So 4 and 2 will both have y coordinates of 0. If I plug in a 5 for x, 5 squared minus 6 times 5 plus 8 is 25 minus 30 is negative 5 plus 8 is 3. And 1 will also have a y coordinate of 3. So if I put those points on the graph, and then remember this is a curve, it's not pointy, it's curved. And that was not very good going through that point, but it looks something like this. Let's see if I can get it a little better on that side. Not doing very well. Let's see. Well, it looks something like that. And that's your graph of y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8.